AgFiniti from Ag Leader allows you to easily transfer and share your files wirelessly between displays and accounts, ensuring the information you need is available to you anywhere at any time. In this tutorial, you will learn how to upload, download, edit, and search for files in your AgFiniti account. Once logged into AgFiniti, select Files from the main menu on the left. On the My Files page, you will find the File Management tools on the left. To add files to your AgFiniti account, select Add. Here, you can select the manufacturer and file type of the data that you are adding. A file description and tags can also be added to easily find and organize your information. When finished, click Upload and the data will be processed and added to your files list. To view all the details about a file, click the green arrow located to the right of the file name, and the details will be displayed when the dialog expands. To use the other tools available on the left-hand side of the screen, select the files you wish to work with by placing a check in the box to the left of the name. Download is used to save files currently stored in AgFiniti to your device. Email files will generate an email message using your default mail client, allowing you to share your files with others even if they're not an AgFiniti user. The email contains a link that will be used to access the files you are sharing. The link is active for 10 days. The Share button shares files with other AgFiniti account users. For more information on this option, refer to the video on the card above. Move allows you to permanently move a file to another AgFiniti account by entering the email address tied to the target account. To remove files from AgFiniti, use the Delete Files tool. Reprocess files is used to generate maps and reports from the selected files. Edit is used to update the file information, including the manufacturer, file name, description, and tags. You can also see the amount of storage space in use and how much remains on this page. The Group By, Sort, Filter, and Search tools along the top makes it easy to find the data that you need. The Group By option changes the default date and adds the grouping to file type, upload source, or no grouping at all. The Sort option changes how your files are listed after choosing the sort criteria. You can even choose to show the results in ascending or descending order. Filter tools allow you to display only specific files by date range and file size. Finally, the search bar allows you to search for particular files by name, description, and even tags. These tools can be used together, making the list of files displayed completely customizable. You have now learned how to use the file management tools in AgFiniti. Please review the other tutorials to learn how to utilize other key features of AgFiniti.